welcome back. Let me show you how to share a Teams link which I have already scheduled to have a meeting. That is to have a class with your students. Okay, here I am going to share how to do that. Yes, so yeah, let me share my screen. Okay, yeah, here. Okay, once we have logged in, so here we can see all the activities here. Yes, I'm going to my Teams. Right here on the left hand side, you can see the calendar. In the calendar, we are scheduling a meeting. For example, I have scheduled, yeah. So now let me schedule one meeting now, new meeting I'm scheduling. Right here, I have included a demo session 4. Right. So whomever I have added that recipient is not attending here, but I want to share that link of this meeting in WhatsApp group or through text or through mail. Okay, right. So before that, first let me schedule a meeting. So for example, it is to be conducted at 3 p.m. or something like that. Okay, I haven't added any channel, anything also. Or if you want to add that channel, you can add that channel also. See, I want to add a 12th B group because 12th B I'm teaching computer science, so 12th B computer science channel I'm adding here. Any description you want to add, yeah, computer science class I will add here. See, computer science class I have added, and then come back, yes, send. Okay, so but my recipients are not responding, then what can I do? Yes, so now demo session 4 is the session I have created. Again I click on that, then instead of clicking on join, see here you can see the join meeting, Microsoft Teams meeting, right? So now you can copy link address, right click. See, I just brought my cursor here. See here, right click, copy link address, and wherever you want to send, either in the WhatsApp group you can send, or in the browser if you want to open. So when you enter it in the browser, just like see, open with Microsoft Teams option will come, or join on the web instead, or launch it now. Children also, without downloading Microsoft Teams also, if they are using in the browser, they can directly join our meeting, right? Is it clear? So now let me explain once again. See, now I'm closing this. Yeah, I'm closing here also, this one. Yes, right. So let me sign out. Yeah, close everything. From the beginning I will show you once again so that it will be very clear. See, now I have opened my Microsoft Teams app on my computer. So how do I log in? First I will enter in the browser teams.microsoft.com. Yeah, my computer became a little slow. Yes, let me, yeah, log in. So once I'm logged in, you can see here, yes, loading Microsoft Teams. Still it is loading. Okay, so let me wait. See, directly that link has given me, enter a name and join now, right? So this way we can allow the students with the link to join, right? So now I'll close here. See, now see, I'm logging in. Once again I'm showing how to do that. Yes, sign in. Okay, now I'm in my Teams account, logged in. Yeah, we can see the calendar icon. Yes, see, you can see the calendar. Okay, so new meeting I'm scheduling for Tuesday's class. So add title, this is file handling session for computer science children of class 12B. So I'm adding 12B here. All those people of 12B will be notified. So right now I'm adding the channel 12th B computer science, that is 12th B channel. In this 12th B, yeah, 12th B computer science subject I handle, so I have included that one. Yes, so description, yeah, file handling session continuation, continued, right? So here I'll go send, right? So all my 12th B students must be receiving this message. But instead, if you are doubting that whether the student has not joined, so if they are facing any difficulty in logging in, what I can do is, see, I have scheduled here, yeah, file handling session, right? So okay, file handling, yes, you can see. So here I have scheduled whatever I have scheduled. You can see here once again, if you open the scheduled meeting, you can see in the description, in this yeah, message window, you can see join Microsoft Teams meeting. Here you go. Here you click on, right click, save link as or copy link address. Okay, right. So if you want to share with your students through WhatsApp, yes, so I can share with them. Here I go to all the techies, yes, right. So now I'll be sharing that link, yes. So now when they click on this link, then immediately they can, yeah, so show you. Okay, fine. Hope you all understood. Yes. So if you join, then yeah, join now option will come. Then you can see what's the conversation. You can initiate also. You can join well in advance and check also. This is your calendar. You can log in anytime and you can join. But the people will be joining as per the schedule given. See, immediately it has come to see this is scheduled and this is ended. Everything has come in the post of this 12B, right? You can see the members. Yeah, you can see all the members already. We have included all those children in the morning, right, in the previous session. So you see all the members are there. They will be notified even in their email account, right? So now let me go back. Link which is scheduled for some other day through our WhatsApp. Yes, so now I logged into my Teams, I've opened the calendar account, and then this is my session. I just opened, copy this link. See, join Microsoft Teams meeting, right click, copy link address, yes, and then you can share that link wherever you want, through email or through WhatsApp, or if you want to see how the student will be visible, the student will be able to open. So when they open that link, download the Windows app or continue on this browser, open your Teams app, this option will come. When this option will come, they will log in with their password, with their username and password. This is as easy as other apps which you are comfortable. Yeah, let me show you from the beginning. So we will be opening teams.microsoft.com or your app, where whatever installed on your mobile, right? So now I'll be logging with in my account with my user ID and password. After logging in, so here I go to the calendar, right? So in the calendar, I am scheduling a meeting, new meeting. Okay, so data file handling session 2 or session 3. So here I am adding all the 12th B, right? So 12th B computer science children, this class is on 29th, right, Tuesday 30th. And my class is from 1 o'clock to 2:30. So 1 to, yeah, yeah, on the same day till 2:30, 1.5 hours, right? So and here I want to add this to my channel, that is 12th B, and then in 12th B computer science. I don't want to notify, yeah, everyone, only computer science I want to notify. So in the computer science channel only that post should come. So here I am giving file handling session, that is computer science class. Okay, so now I send, but we do not know whether they have logged in and checked whether they have received or not. So how can we send that link? See, we are comfortable in sending that link in WhatsApp, right? Here we go. So now when did I schedule? So it is yeah, I'll open my calendar. See, in the calendar, next 30th, I have scheduled this one. Yes, I'll click on this. I just opened it. Here you can see join meeting Teams meeting. Join Microsoft Teams meeting. Yes, you can right click on that. Copy link address. Okay. And you can paste wherever, like you can copy paste in your WhatsApp also. See, if I am sending that WhatsApp group, see that link they can click and join conversation. Right? So this is how we can do. Okay, so here I am not sending here. Yeah, friends ki dunya I'll share, right? So okay, so yeah, here I am sharing with the 12th standard children. So here you can see join conversation I have given. So this is the scheduled team meeting, that is they can join on 30th June 2020 at 1 p.m. Right. So now this is the scheduled team meeting. My children are notified with this. See, they without opening their Teams account itself, they got the link. Got it? So now close this. Yes. Now I'm not going to join. See, this join option will come in their calendar also. If they're not getting also, we have sent the WhatsApp link.